Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
When is K-Flock getting out of jail? This is a question many fans of the Bronx drill rapper have been asking since his arrest. K-Flock, whose real name is Kevin Perez, is currently facing very serious charges. He was arrested in December 2021 in connection with a murder that happened earlier that month. This isn't a simple case, and because of the nature of the charges, there is no clear release date. K-Flock is accused of first-degree murder. The incident reportedly happened outside a barbershop in Harlem. Police say he shot and killed a man named Oscar Hernandez. This was allegedly part of an ongoing rivalry. K-Flock has pleaded not guilty to these charges. A not guilty plea means he denies committing the crime. This means the case will go through a full legal process. He was initially held on state charges. However, the situation became even more complicated. In December 2022, K-Flock was indicted on federal charges. These charges are for RICO conspiracy. RICO stands for Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act. This federal indictment essentially absorbed the state murder charge. It links the alleged murder to wider gang activity. Being in federal custody adds another layer of complexity to his case. Federal cases often have different procedures and timelines compared to state cases. So, why isn't there a release date? Because K-Flock is awaiting trial, not serving a sentence. When someone is convicted and sentenced, they get a release date. But when someone is accused of a crime and pleads not guilty, they go through a trial first. This legal process can take a very long time. There are many steps involved before a trial even begins. Lawyers need to gather evidence. They file motions. There are court hearings. These can be delayed for various reasons. Court schedules are often backed up. The defense and prosecution might need more time to prepare. All of this pushes the trial date further into the future. There is no set timeline for how long a federal murder and RICO conspiracy trial will take. It could be many months. It could even be several years. Until the trial concludes, K-Flock will remain in custody. What are the possible outcomes? If he is found guilty at trial, he could face a very long prison sentence. First-degree murder carries extremely harsh penalties, often life imprisonment. The RICO charges also carry significant potential prison time. There is also the possibility of a plea bargain. This is where he might agree to plead guilty to lesser charges in exchange for a reduced sentence. However, even with a plea deal for such serious charges, he would still likely serve a considerable amount of time. The least likely outcome, from a legal perspective given the charges, is an acquittal. If he were found not guilty, he would be released. But for federal murder and RICO charges, this is a very high bar to clear. In summary, there is no confirmed release date for K-Flock. He is currently in federal custody, awaiting trial for first-degree murder and RICO conspiracy. The legal process is ongoing and can be lengthy. His release depends entirely on the outcome of these serious legal proceedings. We will continue to monitor the situation. Thank you for watching this update on K-Flock's legal status. If you found this information helpful, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. And let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover. Your support helps us create more content like this.